Welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures. I'm Robi, and today we're gonna learn the alphabet together. Are you ready to learn ABCs? Yeah! Let's get started.
A.
A is for airplane. An airplane is a vehicle with wings and engines that flies in the sky, carrying people or goods to different places.
B.
B is for basketball. Basketball is a team sport where players try to score points by throwing a ball through a high hoop or basket.
C.
C is for car. A car is a vehicle with wheels and an engine that people use to travel on roads.
D.
D is for dolphin. A dolphin is a smart and playful sea animal, often known for jumping out of the water.
E.
E is for Earth. Earth is our home planet, a beautiful blue and green ball in space where we live, play, and grow.
F.
F is for flower. A flower is a colorful and often fragrant part of a plant that blooms and can produce seeds.
G.
G is for gorilla. A gorilla is a large, strong, and intelligent ape that lives in the forest, known for its impressive physical strength.
H.
H is for house. A house is a building where people live, often containing rooms like a kitchen, living room, bedroom, and bathroom.
I.
I is for ice. Ice is frozen water that becomes solid and cool, often seen in the form of ice cubes.
J.
J is for jacket. A jacket is a piece of clothing that you wear over your shirt or sweater to keep warm.
K.
K is for key. A key is a small object used to unlock and open doors, locks, and other secure things.
L.
L is for lemon. A lemon is a small, yellow, sour-tasting fruit that grows on trees. Let's make a lemonade.
M.
M is for money. Money is a special kind of paper or coins that we use to buy things we want and need.
Like toys. N is for noodles.
Noodles are long, thin, and yummy strands of food made from flour and water, often served in soups.
O.
O is for owl. An owl is a wise and quiet bird with big round eyes and soft feathers that flies at night.
P.
P is for policeman. A policeman is a helpful person who keeps us safe, enforces rules, and protects our community from harm.
Q.
Q is for quarter. A quarter is a small coin worth 25 cents, often used to buy small things or save in a piggy bank.
R.
R is for rocket. A rocket is a powerful vehicle that blasts off into the sky, carrying people or things into space, exploring the wonders of the universe.
S.
S is for space shuttle. A space shuttle is a special spaceship that can carry people and things to and from space.
T.
T is for taxi. A taxi is a car with a driver that takes people places they want to go for a fee.
U.
U is for unicorn. A unicorn is a magical and imaginary horse-like creature with a beautiful horn on its forehead, symbolizing wonder and enchantment.
V.
V is for volcano. A volcano is a tall mountain that opens downwards to a pool of molten rock, sometimes erupting with lava, ash, and smoke, shaping our Earth's surface.
W.
W is for waffle. A waffle is a yummy, crispy, and golden brown breakfast food made from a special batter, often served with sweet treats like fruit or whipped cream.
X.
X is for xylophone. A xylophone is a fun musical instrument with wooden bars that you hit with a mallet to make a happy ringing sound.
Y.
Y is for yogurt. Yogurt is a delicious and healthy food made from milk that's sweet, creamy, and good for your body. Z is for zoo. A zoo is a special place where many different animals from around the world live and are cared for, so we can visit, learn about, and appreciate them. That was so much fun! Yay! Let's go over the alphabet letters that we learned today. Are you ready?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Let's try it one more time. Are you ready?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Thank you for learning the alphabet here with us. See you on the next video.
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Woo!